and welcome. My name is Andreas, and if words such as MAXQDA, content analysis, grounded theory, and mixed methods research trigger you, then you have come to the right place. I offer consultations for bachelor thesis, master thesis, and dissertation. That starts at the conceptual level at the research question and may end at text feedback for your final thesis. However, the focus is usually on the method, on the question, how can I best answer my research question, and how can a software such as MAXQDA or Atlas TI help me in that. Furthermore, I offer workshops for groups of researchers such as graduate schools and think tanks. Finally, I'm a researcher myself, and I conduct contractual research for institutions such as the Charité in Berlin. Now, what makes me and my work special? In my consultations, it's important for me to not just solve some isolated problem, but to always envision the entire research process. Here we look step by step on what you can do to best achieve your research goal. In my workshops, I pride myself with rather short but intense workshops. That's because I always hated it to sit in a workshop for 8 hours when nothing is happening. Instead, I rather offer 4 to 6 hour long workshops that make the best use of your time and attention. If that sounds interesting to you, you can contact me via phone, WhatsApp, or email. I would love to get to know you in person.